My name is Sophia. I am studying in first standard. My name is Aishma. I am studying in first standard. Hi, I am Tanvi.
States and capitals.
States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Deladu. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. West Bengal, Kolkata. Four Vedas. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. Colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu. Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Nasimla, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Names of Ritus.
Names of Ritus. Basanta Ritu, Krishna Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Hemanta Ritu, Shishira Ritu.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Hindu lunar month.
Hindu lunar month. Chaitra, Vaishakha, Esha, Ashada, Savana, Madapada, Aishvija, Kartika, Magashiva, Pusha, Bharma, Parbuna.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamil, Vaigal, Yamuna.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals. Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments. Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Lake Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists. Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghnad Shah, Satyendra Bose, Anu Kokrekar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Durgabai Deshmukh, Anna Asaf Sujendra Tipavali, Kittur Rani Chennamma, Kedadi Chennamma, Anake Baba, Vijay Lakshmi Pandey, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka. Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Arbat, Belgavi, Chamrajnagara, Chikkaballapura, Chikadurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hassan, Haveri, Kalburgi,